For question 4, the first one is asking you for the effect of drawings on profit for the year. To find profit for the year, you take your income minus your expenses. Drawings is not part of this equation, so therefore your answer is no effect. Okay. The next one is you're supposed to prepare both the drawings account as well as the capital account. In order to do this, you need to first read your question and understand which figures affects which account. So for example, capital, 1st January, I know that this is my opening balance. This is my balance brought down in my capital account. So I would just do a bit of indication. And then the owner had the following transactions. Owner brought in his personal laptop. So when you contribute something, when the owner contributes something, you know that your capital account is affected. Owner took goods for personal use. I know that my drawings account is affected, right? At the end of the day, profit for the year amounted to 17,894. So the more profit I make, the more my overall capital will increase. Okay, so this one affects my capital account. So in this case, you can see for drawings account, there is only one item that affects the drawings account. So I would first do up my ledger account with date, particulars, debit, credit, balance. Okay, so for the first item, when owner takes goods for personal use, you would debit drawings and credit inventory. Okay, so debit drawings, you place the 200 on the debit side. The date will be 2018, November 10, right? And the partner account here is my inventory. Now drawings is debit in nature. Anything on the debit side goes up, anything on the credit side goes down. So I will have 200 DR. You cannot leave this hanging. You need to transfer it to the capital account at the end of the year. So you have to make this 0, and to transfer this, you place it on the credit side, and it's done at the year end. So what is my year end? I refer to the question. It is December 31st. And then I will transfer to my capital account. Okay, so I'm done with the drawings account. Next one, I will have to do my capital account, but before I do my capital account, I should do my double entry first. If I brought in personal laptop, what happens is I would debit my office equipment and credit my capital. Okay, so this one is done, so I can cancel this off. Alright, and then later on, I also have a profit over here that I need to place inside my capital account. So do up your ledger account. Now, capital account is credit in nature. Anything on the credit side goes down, anything on the debit side goes, anything on the credit side goes up, anything on the debit side goes down. So the first thing we do is look back at our question. Is there anything that comes first? All right. As you can see on 1st Jan, I have a balance brought down at $25,000. So 2018, January 1st, balance brought down, and this amount is $25,000. Place it only in the balance column, not in your debit or credit column. Okay, and then on March 5th, owner contributed personal laptop, so office equipment. So debit OE, credit capital. Credit capital, so you place the figure of $3,000 on the credit side, and you will write office equipment as the partner account. Okay, next one. So I'm done with this. I'm done with this. All right, and now I have one more item over here. Okay, at the end of the year, there are two things that you must know. You must transfer your drawings as well as your profit. So when you make a profit, the more profit you make, the more your capital will go up. So therefore, you should place it on the column that is increasing capital, which is the credit column. So you place 17,894 on the credit side, and this happens on the last day. You just write your profit and loss. Okay. The last item is your drawings, because you are going to transfer your drawings to your capital account. So the more the owner takes for his own personal use, the lesser capital would be. So it would be on the minus column, right, which is debit. So 200, and this is my partner account is drawings. This is my transfer, right? And you should have an ending balance of 45,694 CR. It is not done until you do a balance brought down to the next financial year. So balance brought down 45,694 CR.